Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. A Canadian national has been killed in Hanover, Jamaica, West Indies. Greetings in the name of the Most High, Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's Rastafari, soldier of Peace Roots TV. If this is your first time tuning in to the Rastaman channel, hit that red subscribe button below the Rastaman panel. Hanover, Jamaica, a Canadian national has been killed. Hanover police have launched an investigation into the shooting death of a female Canadian national at her rented apartment in Lucea, Hanover on Wednesday. She has been identified as 52-year-old April Sheila Labine of North York in Ontario, Canada. Report indicated that Labine, who arrived in Jamaica late last year, was staying at a rental apartment in Elgin Town, Lucea, with Jamaican boyfriend. It is reported that on Tuesday night she was overheard arguing with her boyfriend, following by a gunshot from the apartment. A report was filed with the police on Wednesday morning, and following a search of the apartment, Labine was found lying inside a pool of blood with a gunshot hole in her head. The boyfriend was not seen or heard from since. Where you think I go on? Where you think the man mash out the whitey head and run away, left her laying in a pool of blood? Listen, this Canadian national who left her nice winter environment and find herself into the hot spot of the tropical boiling pot of Jamaica, like she don't know what's really going on. It's just the other day the United States issued out a travel advisory. You can't run in down your hot, well peppery. A Canadian national. Her name is April Sheila Labine, 52-year-old of North York, Ontario, Canada. Report says that her boyfriend quang her because nobody did not send her. It appears that she went to Jamaica and don't realize that after a month or two, Jamaican get tired of you. You should fly back home. She says she is staying and basking in the sun and drinking white rum when her boyfriend did want her to go home because the fun done. So I'm just bullet her with his gun. Elgin Town, Lucea, in a Hanover, Jamaica, West Indies. It is being alleged that she has been taken out by her boyfriend because they said the neighbor them, you know, them nosy, them not see nothing, them not hear nothing till somebody get quang. They said that they heard an argument in the apartment there in Elgin Town in a Lucea, yes, Hanover, and afterwards, bullets. Well, them said they hear an explosion, but you know what it is. Gunshot rung out. They said it was heard. But when the police come and look in at the apartment, Labine was found lying inside of a pool of blood with gunshot to the head. Them say the boyfriend quang her. Boy, me I tell you, it's like these people don't learn. Them not learn at all. Like them not realize, say, yo, Jamaicans now rampant people. They're real evil. Leave your comment here, family and friends. Let me know what you think went on, because me feel like say she probably got a little clingy. You guarantee like the money probably all run out. The Canadian run out, and she go on like she run things and don't realize say, yo, the man just a link because your currency high. You guarantee now you are stink, you are sink, because you never know when to go home to Canada. People, listen, when you go to people's yard, you know when to leave. But again, you're saying it was a rental apartment down there in a Hanover, I don't know about it, but when me I see on social media, them I see a the man dirt her and run well far. Subscribe to the Rastaman channel. Leave your comment. Let me know if you think say a dirt him dirt her, or it's somebody probably come do a little, a little works. But the police, the authority there in Hanover is saying that they cannot find this boyfriend since this woman get prung off. A Canadian national gone to Jamaica for the good wood and water and get a life loss. Imagine. Subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel. Leave your comment. Let me know what you think happened to her. Let me know if I did good wood and she did run too much water. That's why her mother lose her daughter. Condolences to you, Mrs. Sheila. Condolences to you. Because nobody deserves to be, forget them head smash out like that. It's a shame. It's a Jamaican man now. Play with woman, April Sheila Labine of North York in Ontario, Canada. Find out the hard way. So when you go Jamaica, you better depend on your P's and Q's because your mother and father will cry your water. Leave your comment. Let me know what we could do to make Jamaica safe again. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Love your family. Keep them close. I'm talking about your mother, your brother, father, sister, and your children. Love. Fire,